In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost a post on LinkedIn. Whether you're aiming to amplify insightful content or share a noteworthy update with your professional network, reposting on LinkedIn is a straightforward process that allows you to engage and contribute to the conversation in a meaningful way. Let's walk through this step by step. To start, head over to LinkedIn.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. There are a couple of ways to log in. You can use your Google or Microsoft credentials, or you can type in your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, get ready for LinkedIn to ask for a verification. They might send you a code to your phone, so it's always handy to keep your device nearby. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to locate the post you wish to share. You can find it while scrolling through your feed if it's recent. Or you might have to go to someone's profile if you are looking for a post from the past. Now, here is what you need to pay attention to. Below the post, there is a repost icon which looks like an arrow pointing upwards. Click on this icon and you'll be presented with two distinct options. The first option is simply repost. If you choose this, you'll share the original content with your network without any modifications. This works well when the post message is clear and impactful on its own. But if you have additional thoughts or insights you'd like to share, consider using the second option. Repost with your thoughts. This choice enables you to add personal commentary or context that might spark further engagement with your audience. If you go for repost with your thoughts, a pop-up window will appear, providing you with a space for deeper interaction. Here, you can draft your personal commentary and even tag people or companies you think would find the post valuable. Plus, you have the flexibility to adjust your visibility settings, deciding who exactly will see your repost. It could be shared with just your connections, the wider public, or a select group. It's entirely up to you. Once you've crafted your message or chosen to share the post content as is, the final step is to click post. And just like that, you've successfully shared content with your network, contributing to the ongoing dialogue and adding your voice to the professional landscape. Congratulations! You've just mastered reposting on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to maintain your presence within your professional network, share valuable information, and showcase what resonates with you. Remember, every repost is an opportunity to engage, inform, and connect with others in meaningful ways. Happy sharing!